In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP SmartTank 7602 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP SmartTank 7602 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say HP SmartTank 7602 all in one. Go ahead and select that. And then going underneath the support category, this is software and drivers. Go ahead and select that link. And then if you scroll down again, select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software. Go ahead and download it. And give that a moment. Open up that file to begin extracting. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here of getting your printer properly configured to your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.